Hello guys, welcome back. Today I've got the Motorola Edge 70 Pro and I'm going to show you how to easily set up dark mode and eye comfort. First, open the settings, then open the display and brightness settings here. Here you can see we've got dark theme. Just tap the switch to enable dark theme and tap it again to disable. If we tap on dark theme itself, we can schedule it. For example, turns on at custom time, and here we've got start time 10:30 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. We can change it using this clock or manually type the hour with the keyboard. Apart from custom time, we can enable it from sunset to sunrise based on our location services. Once dark mode is enabled, we can go down to enable night light. Here we can enable night light, manage the intensity by increasing or decreasing it, and schedule it like the dark mode. There's also flicker prevention, which keeps the screen from flickering in dark environments. Turning this on may cause noise and color distortion, but you can enable it using the switch. We don't have other options for eye comfort. We can just manage the display colors, but that's not about eye comfort. That should be it. Goodbye.